Christine G, and we're going to be taking a look at this participation activities. So first of all, we are given these different values so when x is 0, and this is to do with, I should say, x is the alcohol consumption, and then the reaction time is y. So you'll notice the more alcohol consumed, the higher the reaction time. And so these are actual samples. And what this graph did was it graphed these particular points. So when x is 0, y is 6. When x is 1, y is 12. And then it did a simple linear regression line, which is this line, and that represents the linear relationship between x and y. So, and you'll notice the points aren't on the line, but they're all very close to it. So let's go ahead and look at the next point. So this is the we call this B naught, or where x is 0 and y is some value. And so that's this point where the line intersects the y-axis. And then here we have the fitted value of y. So it could pull 2 points, a point here and then a point there. It doesn't have to be here. You could choose it anywhere on this line, and just all they did here to get the change in y is they got this value, which was 28, and then they got another value, which was 34, and then they subtracted the two values. So they were able to get the and I like to have a grid to be able to read it properly, but for the purpose of this exercise, they named the values of y. And then here, it looks like this is easier to discern, that this is the value 4 and then goes to 5, which is between these two. So that's easier. So 5 minus 4. And then we can see that. And then what they do is they said, okay, the b sub 1, which is the slope, we just calculate that by the change in y, which is 34 minus 28, which gives us 6, and then the change in y, 5 minus 4, is just 1. So 6 divided by 1 is 6. So I hope this makes sense. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks so much for watching.